First, I would like to cover the general principles of operation of the machine. With most applications, the bottler is sitting here with the discharge deck feeding each row directly onto this conveyor, and then the bottles move away from there. So frequently these rails are cut then, and so the deck of the bottler is able to move in here. Once the bottles are on the conveyor, they're going to come down to typically a spacing star wheel. This star wheel basically separates each bottle, and by changing the speed of this versus the speed of the conveyor, we create space between the bottles for two reasons. One, we want this air blow-off mechanism to see only one bottle at a time, and then additionally, when we get down here, we have to have enough room in between bottles for each label to fully dispense out. If bottles are too close together, the second bottle will not be labeled. It would be missed, if you will, and would go through without a label. So we want to use the spacing star wheel down here to actually create enough space. I'll cover in another video shortly how much space there should be. Once the label begins to dispense down here, the label dispenses until the gap between labels is detected. That would be a gap like this one right here. And this sees the gap, and then we actually have a stopping position called the flag delay for the label to stop dispensing. The wrap belt is turning, so as the label is affixed to the side of the bottle, it actually will spin up, and that completes it. It will go down to the end, and down here on the end we have an accumulation table for the bottles to be gathered together and then packed off into the case.